So what brought you here to Dr. Adamczyk?
Well, initially, there was a lot of problems with sleep, having good quality of sleep, lack of energy. I was just having a lot of problems focusing at work, and no matter how much I would work out, I would just have body fat that wouldn't go away, and just general lethargy kind of problems. So I did a little research, and during my research came to the conclusion that a lot of people nowadays are deficient in their testosterone levels. So just basically started out saying, let me look into it and find a good doctor. Did a lot of research. Came here to see Dr. Adamczyk. We ran the blood work, and found out that we had some seriously low testosterone and needed to address that issue. So that's the initial beginning of it.
And so how has Dr. Adamczyk helped you?
Well, obviously it's been it's hard to explain to people when you tell them, they all say, oh, you're looking a lot better, you have a glow about you, you seem a lot sharper. But basically it just, it feels like you get your life back, and you were kind of just going through life and the motions, and then all of a sudden you're back alive and you're living and you're being able to work out, you're seeing the benefits of it, you have higher energy, your brain focus is just tremendous. It's just, you can go on and on about the benefits that you get from it, and that's something it's hard to explain to people who are in the state right now when they have hormonal imbalance issues and lack of energy and things like that, after you've been on therapy for a while and really start to see the results. It's just night and day.
And would you recommend Dr. Adamczyk to any of your friends or family?
I already have, and absolutely. Trying to get as many people that, especially friends and family, people we care about, that have any kind of hormonal imbalance issues, even if they're male or female, it doesn't matter. We all have with the imbalance issues, all the electronics, the stress in our lives, all that stuff is impacts the level. So anybody, male, female, any of my loved ones, I tell them first go get it checked out. If you're in this area, I guess go see Dr. Adamczyk, because that's who I trust. But yeah, get it checked out and get the problem fixed.